Hello friends, in this video I'll tell you how you can easily activate your debit card in any bank. So do watch the video till the end because I'll tell you the 3 ways how to do it, and the third one will work for every bank. So the first way is by messaging them through their WhatsApp. So while you are opening your bank account, do ask them that do you have the WhatsApp banking, like this one. Like if I send them any type of text, they will send me an options which is in a text form. So here you need to find that where is the debit card activation option. So in this text it was in number 10, but maybe in your bank system it's another number. So do check it out. And here in the next message they are telling me to give us the last 4 digits of their account number. So you can get it in your any type of email from the bank, or you can just open the app of the bank and you will get it, and it's also available on the check. So here you can see now the next message is that just send us the last 4 digits of your ID card number. So it's an common thing, your national ID card last 4 digit number. Just give that to them, and when you text it, the next message is about the year of birth. Now just send them that also. And now in the next message you can see they're asking for the last 4 digits of your debit card. So when you receive your debit card, just check out that what is your debit card number, and just provide them the last 4 digits of your debit card number. So after sending it to them, let me just put it. So here I'll put my last 4 digits in the text message, and when you send it, now they will send an OTP to your mobile number, the number which is linked with your bank account. So I will text them the same OTP. So after sending it to them, the next message will be about providing us the 4-digit PIN. Now just send them the 4-digit PIN. It will be needed when you want to withdraw money through ATM. So everyone knows it, but maybe some guys who are newer or like first time they have opened their account. So I'm just clearing it to them. So here you can look that my debit card has been activated. So now let me show you the second way how to activate it. So every bank has their official app. So just open that app and find the card option, or any manage cards, or my cards, any type of option available in the app. Just open it, and then you just need is to put the expiry date of the debit card which is written on the debit card. So after all that, just enter the 4-digit PIN which you need to create it for your debit card. So it should not be in a sequence like 1 2 3 4 or 5 5 4 4. It should be different numbers. So after entering your 4-digit PIN, just enter the OTP that is received by the number. So this was how you can do it through your mobile app. Now the last way is for everyone, like it's common in everyone because it's through the ATM machine of the bank. So I'll show you that way also. So here when you receive your debit card, just enter it in the ATM machine, and in some machines they directly ask for your national ID card number and then your date of birth, but in some machines they just directly ask for your PIN number, and in some you need to put, like you need to select the option of registered PIN and then you can enter the PIN. So in this machine they just need my ID card number and the date of birth. So I'll enter it, and after entering it I'll click on the proceed. So after this, the next step will be entering the OTP which you will arrive on your number, and the next step is same, just enter your 4-digit PIN, and they will again ask to rewrite your PIN, and after that your debit card will be activated through your ATM. So these were the 3 ways to activate your debit card. So do subscribe for more videos like this, and do comment that which will be the next topic in my next video. So thanks for watching.